Sit here and watch Sydney giggle. You didn't even touch her.
I know.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
You ready now?
Have at it, Doc.
Wow. That's all it takes now? Before was when I got into the actual muscle ground, but now it's like.
Not even a funny bone.
Does that hurt at all?
Hey, Sydney.
No.
Why did the chicken cross the road? I know it's funny. A joke is. It's funny.
I can't. This hurts.
It hurts?
It's an ab workout.
Try not to react.
You are such a faker. It hurts. I can tell it hurts.
I got a joke.
Ow. Ow. What?
Why did the cow?
Can't hear you.
What?
Why did the cow?
What?
Why did the cow go to the movies?
She was in the punchline.
I know my delivery is hysterical. Why did the cow go to the movies? You're gonna scare away the patients.
What?
You're gonna scare
Why? No,
I'm
why?
probably like, whatever you did to that patient, do that to me.
Why?
Because movies.
Oh, wait, ready?
Movies. Get it? Oh my God. That's scary.
That's a pretty funny joke. Hey, Ariel. Ready?
I got another joke for you. You look like you're drunk. Why didn't the chicken eat a sandwich?
Huh?
Huh? Why didn't the chicken eat a sandwich?
Because there was chicken in it.
Because the monkey ate a sandwich.
That's my cue.
I'm supposed to get a reaction.
It was so funny, she's spitting up.
Ow.
Last best joke of the day, right? Why did Susie's ice cream fall?
Why?
Because she got hit by a bus. I got one more.
Oh.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Not Susie. She got hit by a bus. Hey, say bye to the people. Oh my God, Sydney's gonna nap now.
Huh?
Sydney's gonna nap now.